Hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. Today we are looking at a great product which is called YEELIGHT Smart LED Strip. It's made by Xiaomi. Like other products from Xiaomi or Xiaomi, I think it's Xiaomi, the quality is good at an excellent price. In fact, the packaging and the product feel almost like high-end. I was able to buy this smart strip for about $20 US, or 28 Canadian on Amazon. It works with voice assistant from Google and Amazon. You can control the lights with a smartphone app on the same Wi-Fi network. Like most Chinese products, this is where the product falls a bit short. The app works, but it's quite badly designed. The length is 2 meters or about 6 feet, which is a bit short for some applications. The LED strip can produce 16 million colors, like most products, and is fully dimmable. The white's temperature can also be adjusted from warm to cool. The music can sync with ambient music, however, it has to be done through the app, which is not ideal. There is no microphone on the project itself. You can also program schedules, countdowns, and even create scenario loops. You can also group the strip with other products from Xiaomi. If you don't want to pay for something like You by Philips, the YEELIGHT Smart LED Strip is great, but I will only recommend if you really want to use the Google Assistant or Alexa. There is better and longer product for the same price without that function that work as good using Bluetooth for the app. I'll add a link at the end of this video of a great example that I will recommend. Thank you all. See you next time.